This meat like pagoda is actually fresh meat purchased by Turkey Barbecue Factory every day, mainly beef, mutton and chicken, and this huge chicken leg is the most used. First, the workers will cut the chicken legs and remove the bones, and then put the beef and mutton into the duck meat machine. The machine will press the meat to a thickness of 1 centimeter, so that it is convenient to put the meat on the iron column later. Then the workers will push the processed meat to the curing workshop and pour the mineralized chicken into the iron bucket. The machine will slowly rise and pour into the vacuum mixer. Because of Turkey's unique manufacturing technology, the workers need to prepare a secret marinade, mix more than a dozen spices and pour them into the machine. The machine will constantly stir to ensure that each piece of meat is fully covered with paint. After 3 hours of pickling, the color of these meat turns red. After treatment, the good meat will be strung onto the iron column. The workers strung the meat piece by piece and turned it into a huge pagoda. The height of each string of meat is controlled at about 60 cm. After reaching a certain height, the workers will trim the excess meat with a knife to make it look better. Then the workers will wrap the meat with plastic wrap, layer by layer. After the barbecue shop owner buys it back, it doesn't take 3 hours to disassemble it at all. After wrapping it, he will stick a label, use a steel needle to pass through the middle of the meat and install a base. In this way, the barbecue-like capsules will be made, and the pack barbecue will be sent to the freezer. So much barbecue is only the daily output of this factory. Next, we entered the barbecue workshop, and several 10 meat sticks were being roasted at the same time. At this time, the barbecue opportunity kept rotating, and the inside of the oven emitted a high temperature of 80 degrees. The roasted meat was cut off piece by the machine. The whole process looked very decompressed. Looking at the oily roast meat, the fragrance gradually floated out, making people smell a little irresistible. The hundreds of meters long barbecue will enter the packaging link along with the conveyor belt. This sharp device will automatically disperse the barbecue, and then the barbecue will be pushed, weighed in an iron box, packaged by the machine, and then made. After being boxed, it will be sent to major supermarkets. Do you think Turkish barbecue is delicious?